Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a new primary wallet to BullX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So what you're gonna do is, first thing, you're gonna have to ensure that you have the address of your wallet. Let's say Tonekeeper wallet that you would like to add. Go ahead, tap on this option of receive and go ahead, copy the address. Once you have copied the address of your wallet, you're gonna go back, and then you're gonna go to your BullX. You're gonna go to the wallet manager section. Then you're simply going to go ahead, tap on add new to the wallet section, and you will be able to choose the wallet type. Go ahead, choose the wallet type of yours, and go ahead, go to the wallet name, add in the wallet name right over here. And once you have added the wallet name in, simply go ahead, paste the particular link that we have just copied of our wallet and tap on add wallet, and you will be able to add that wallet to your BullX. And now go ahead, choose the primary as an option to set it as a primary wallet. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.